SR2 Food is a leader in food distribution software. Using SR2 Food gives you the ability to enter orders in more quickly and accurately. It also gives your pickers the ability to pick orders faster with less chance of error. Using the routing portion will give you the ability to load your trucks more productively, allowing you to get on the road faster while still providing excellent customer service. SR2 Food gives you the ability to create unique logins for each of your employees. To log into SR2 Food, enter in your unique user ID and then press enter. Enter in your password, remembering it is case sensitive. Press enter twice to log in and go to the home screen. The home screen is where everything starts. At the top, you will find the menus that can get you to any of the options in the software. Below the menu, you will find the Shortcuts button, which are unique to each login and give the user quick access to the options they use most often. In the lower half of the home screen, the system will display all the open orders. You can double-click on any order to view the order. The sales order entry screen is where all of the sales orders are created and updated. If you wish to open a sales order, just enter the order number in, or to create a new one, type N and press enter. You can use the Rapid Intelligence to enter the customer name. Simply type part of the customer name and press enter. All the customer names and contact names that match the text you typed will be displayed. Double-click on the customer you want to create the sales order for. The system will automatically populate the sold to and shipped to information. The ship date will automatically populate with the system date of today or tomorrow, or will populate with that customer's next scheduled delivery date. To start entering the items in the order, click the Lines tab. If you know the item number of the item you're ordering, you can type it directly into the item cell and press enter. Enter in the quantity you wish to order and press enter. If the item can be sold in an alternate unit of measure, you can choose that and press enter. The price will automatically populate with the correct price for the customer based on their pricing. Pricing can be done on many different levels. Each customer is assigned a price level, which is the default price each item is assigned, or on a category which has pricing that can override a price level, or even further, you can assign a certain price on items to certain customers. So you can assign prices on a price level, a category, a customer, or an item. Press enter and you will be at the details option. By clicking on the book, you will have the ability to assign lots, weights, and add remarks to both the pick ticket or the invoice. Continue to press enter until you are at the next item entry. If you don't know the item ID, but you know the name of the product, you can take advantage of the Rapid Intelligence by typing the name of the item. You can type the whole name, partial name, and you can use one or multiple words. A list of all the items that match the text you typed will be displayed. Any items highlighted in blue are items they have previously ordered. Double-click on the item you wish to add to the order. Enter the correct quantity and press enter. Change the unit of measure if needed and press enter. Enter a new price if needed and press enter. The bottom half of the screen displays the customer's history. You can also place items on the order from this section. Click on the quantity of the item you wish to add. Type the number you wish to order. If you do not need to change the unit of measure or price, you can press the down arrow to the next item and enter its quantity. Once you have entered a quantity and press the down arrow, you will notice that the item line turns blue and the item is now listed on the order above. The quantity has changed back to 0 in the history, which allows you to add the item to the order again if needed. If the customer has a large history, you can filter the history by clicking in the Filter On text box. Type the name of the item you wish to filter on and press enter. The only items displaying in the history now are the ones that match the text you type. If you wish to remove the filter, click the red X. You can also use the Line Full Screen tab to add or edit items on the order. This tab works the same as the top half of the Lines tab. All items on the order will be displayed. You can add or edit items from this screen. Selecting the Return button will bring you to the Lines tab. The Guide Full Screen tab will also allow you to add items to the order. This tab works the same as the bottom portion of the Lines tab. You will see the history of items ordered by the customer. You can add items to the order from this tab. To see the order, click the Return button to go to the Lines tab. Once you have entered the order at the top of the screen, you can then click the Pick button so the pickers can start picking the order if need be. At the top of the window, you will find the ship date, invoice total, and GP percentage. Also, the buttons to assign lots, invoice, and printing the invoice. The invoice button will allow you to assign weights or lot numbers to items that require them. You can also utilize the integrated barcode functionality to catch the weights at shipment. As you have seen on the sales order entry screen, it gives you the ability to enter your orders in using rapid intelligence, the customer's history. You can also add the same item multiple times, and it's very easy to use. Once all the orders have been entered, you can begin to use features in the system that will help you streamline your operations, thus making your workers more productive. One of those features is the buy sheet. The buy sheet will give you the ability to know exactly what items you need to buy in order to fulfill the open orders to be delivered on a requested date. The report will also tell you how much of an item you need to buy by comparing what you need against the inventory maintained in SR2 and what the price was the last time you bought the item. Buy sheets can help you fulfill orders more efficiently by knowing immediately what you need to purchase to fulfill orders, automatically creating purchase orders for those items, and you can also enter purchase orders manually for any additional items you may wish to order. To help your pickers be more efficient and pick more accurately, you can print a batch pick report, which will combine all the items from that delivery date in one report. The system will group all the items in the same location together and the total quantity of each item needed to complete all orders for the delivery date. You can also print one order pick ticket at a time if you wish. The pick tickets will tell the picker what lots to choose from and also give room for the picker to write the weight of each item if needed. To help you pick orders, you can pick one order at a time, batch pick all your orders, which allows your pickers to be more accurate, saving you time and money. Using the truck routing portion of the application can help ease your truck routing situations. Using the drag and drop method, you can tell the system what orders go on what trucks. You also have the ability to set up on the customer side which truck route they are on a regular basis. The truck routing component of the software gives you the ability to automate route assignments, manage the stops within each route, and make routes more time efficient so your driver can get to each delivery quicker. As you can see from this short demonstration, SR2 Food will allow you to get your orders entered, picked, and on the truck faster, saving you money and giving your salesperson more time to sell, while still providing that superior customer service that you're known for. For additional information or a more detailed demonstration, call 1-866-245-6216 or email us at sales@sr2soft.com. Thank you for your time.